Hey, folks, I found something I'm excited about. I wanted to share it with you. I was going over to the trades today, watched some of my videos and stuff, and just realized that I'm messing my own self up. I've been listening to Menaker and what he's been telling me. In the heat of battle, maybe you're taking some bad trades, impulse trades, or whatever. And honestly, every trade I get into, I'm thinking, oh, this is it. This is the trade. So I don't know if that's necessarily what's going on, but I am not following my rule. One thing he did say to do is, let me put that up there, is write yourself a mantra for the day, something to keep you focused, something to keep you on task. And this is what I came up with today. I'm going to repeat this throughout the trading day, and I encourage you to do so as well. It's very simple. You are a reversal trader. You only take trades at higher time frame highs and lows, and only when a reversal pattern is present. If I follow that one simple rule, there is no way I can lose. I might lose a trade here and there because we did have one. It would have been one loss. I would have taken three trades today, and I would have had one loss and two wins. And one of them would have been a huge win. I wouldn't have even been able to trade anymore today. So no more of this gap fill business. No more first presentation fair value gap. No more in walks, in dogs. None of that. One freaking rule. One rule. A higher time frame, higher low gets taken. We look for a reversal pattern. If it's present, we take the trade. That's it. One rule. Okay. So let's go. Let's escape this for a minute. You're welcome to save this. And I printed it off. I put it on my trading desk, taped it up to the wall, and I am going to be reading this thing every time I'm thinking about getting into a trade. One of the things he said to do was say, am I acting in my own best interest right now? Well, that didn't resonate with me too much. Right now, we're in Asia session, which I'm not trading, but I want to show you if I would have followed that rule today, what would have happened? Okay. I did a video earlier showing the reversal patterns that I'd tried to trade during all this mess, way up here, all this mess. I was trying to trade this. Okay. Let's look at the 4 hour chart. Okay. So we went up today. Let's see. Let's go to regular trading hours so we're not confused on what happened today. Okay. So here's our high for the day right there. I'm going to mark it out with, I'll make it green. That's a high of the day right there. Okay. And now I'm going to put the extended hours back on. Extended trading hours. Okay. So we had a high here and a high here, 4 hour highs. My plan is when we get to a 4 hour high, we can look for a reversal pattern. Correct? Now let's say I would have followed that plan today. There's our high. We took it. We look for a reversal pattern. Let's go to the 1 minute. That one simple freaking rule. Okay. So here, we took the 4 hour high right there. We look for a reversal pattern. Did we get one? Yes, we got one. Now, we didn't go all the way down to the prairie, but we got 20 points. I bet you. Let's see. I would have gotten in a tick above right there, because that's our fair value gap. A tick above right there. That's where my fill would have been. And even the lowest hanging fruit right here would be that candle right there. How many points is that? 40, 48 points to right there. One micro, $100. if you're just taking the lowest hanging fruit, which is what you're supposed to be doing, I think we took that one. That one's 69.75, and this one is 70. We didn't take it. We left it. So might have got stopped out here. We lost one trade. Let's say we got stopped out and we lost that trade. Boom, we're down $200. We take it. We take the high again. Did we put up a reversal pattern? Yes. There it is. Stop goes, I would say above the candle that created the fair value gap would be a good place, but since we're so close to that one, just put it above the high. Do we have a reversal pattern? Yes. We enter. Good. We come back up. It's trash. Trashy price action. But does the trade work out? Oh, yes, it does. Oh, yes, it does. So this one, depending on where you were taking profit, if you had a static take profit of 20 points, you'd have been fine. Here, 20 points, you'd have been fine, and then kicking yourself. But that's $800 right there, 20 points on one E-mini, 20 points. Pretty simple. Reversal pattern, let's take 20 points. This one would have paid you a bunch of points if you would have held it. Okay, so that's one. If I followed that simple rule, reversal pattern, 4-hour high getting taken, there's one. If I would have put my stop above here, I would have got stopped out here for sure and probably lost a couple $100. But getting back in here, I wouldn't have lost. We're still just took a 4-hour high. We still have a reversal pattern. It would have been a good trade. Okay. Then we come down all the way down here to the bottom after we fall out of bed. And what do we take? This is actually regular trading hours right here. Okay. So we take this 4-hour low with this candle wick right here. We take this 4-hour low during regular trading hours. I'm going to mark it out so we can see it. And I'll put it, make it green too. There we go. And make it lime colored. Now, just following that one simple rule, we come down. We took out some other 4-hour lows too as we were coming through here, but then we take this one and we look for a reversal pattern. We don't have to aim for the sky. We just have to get 20 points out of this dude, and that's $400 on an E-mini. There is our last up close candle before the run on liquidity. Do we validate with a fair value gap? Yes. Do we respect it? Yes. We can just go for that high right there. How many points? That's 28, no, 30 points. 30 points. One mini, 30 points, $600. So if we took all three of those trades and only went for 20 points, that would have been a $1,200 day. It doesn't take very many $1,200 days before you have a pretty dadgum good week. That's what I'm excited about. I'm hoping that this little slide will keep me on task, because today I was trying to get continuation trades. I was worried about first presentation fair value gap. I was worried about the gap fill. I was worried about every single thing on the chart except the system that I have tried over and over and over again, and it just works. It works. So I did everything except follow my system today. I was trying to get into a trade here based off the first presentation fair value gap. And we went down and we took out liquidity and we put up a breaker here. And I'm trying to get into this trade right here. You tell me, right here, there's our breaker. Where is the 4-hour high or low in relation to that breaker? It's nowhere. That alone nullified that trade. All I had to do was follow that rule, and I would have not have taken any of those trades, and I would not have had the day that I had. So to me, that's exciting. One rule, a higher time frame. It doesn't have to be 4 hour. It can be a daily or a weekly. One rule. I'm a reversal trader, and I only take trades at higher time frame highs and lows, and only when a reversal pattern is present. So today, if I would have taken that one, and you can decide if you want to put on a 20-point take profit or if you want to do a 100-point take profit. Sometimes you can get 100 points. And if you want to do what kind of size you want to do, if you want to do 5 micros or 2 micros or 1 micro, that's all up to you. You could probably do a mini when one of these reversal patterns presents and just go for 20 points and get $400 like that. But you can't keep getting in and out and in and out and in and out. You're just going to have to take that and say, okay, that's all I want. Today, you would have gotten 2 opportunities at the high and 1 opportunity at the low to do that. So that would have been a really nice gain. That's what I'm going to try to do moving forward. I'm not sure about if I'm going to live stream all of it. I probably ought to, just to keep me on the straight and narrow. I was worried that maybe the live streaming was causing me not to focus good enough on what's going on. But this doesn't require focus. The 4-hour high gets taken. I look for a reversal pattern. It's either present or it's not. It's very simple. A 4-hour low gets taken. There was one right around here that was taken. I'll show you. So this is the first one we took, and there was a fair value gap, and I had another one marked here. So we took this one, and then we took this one. When this one was taken, I'll just mark it. We look at it. Is there a reversal pattern? I think there actually might have been a little bit of one. No. We come down. We take this low. Our breaker is way the heck up here. Is there a reversal pattern present? No, there's not. So do we take the trade? No, we don't. We come down here and we take out the other 4-hour low. Don't look at this one. This is the one I just marked for this evening or for tomorrow. And when we take out this one, we do have a reversal pattern present, so we can take that trade. Now, I'm going to be very, very strict with myself about following that rule. Is there a reversal pattern present? Yes. All right. I don't know if I'm going to go for 20 points or 100 points. I think it's just going to depend on the market conditions. But I know I'm going to be trailing my stop, and I know I'm going to make some money on that trade. So I hope that helps you. I'm so sorry for I'm getting in my own way. I'm making this very, very difficult, and it's really not. It's really just that simple. Follow this rule, and you will make money. If you can spot a reversal pattern, and you can spot a 4-hour high or low, and a daily high or low, and a weekly high or low, following that simple rule and nothing else, don't do anything else, you will make money. Now, let's see if I can do it tomorrow, because I've already been looking at the Asia session and going, oh man, it looks like we're going to go down. Iran did this and that, and they're preparing for war against the United States. I know this is going to go lower. Maybe we're going all the way down to here. But my rule is when a 4-hour low gets taken, I can look for a reversal pattern. But until that happens, until there is a reversal pattern present, I can't take a trade. And I also don't like trading Asia, because Asia sucks. So I won't be taking a trade. I will wait for tomorrow. But it is FOMC, so tomorrow may not be a good day to trade. Price doesn't always follow normal patterns during FOMC. These are dead equal lows. So our breaker is still that one way up here. All right. I had to do this video because I'm really excited about it. Remember to be kind to yourself, be kind to one another, follow this simple rule with me, and maybe we can all prosper together, because I have been trading like a freaking maniac, and this should keep me on the straight and narrow. Okay? Till next time, follow your rules.